In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the Tiege Hanley subscription service. Stay tuned. Fellas, how's it going? Today I am doing an unboxing for the Tiege Hanley subscription service. For those unfamiliar with Tiege Hanley, what it is basically a men's grooming brand. They provide uncomplicated skincare for men. It's basically face care, moisturizers and whatnot. I've been getting this subscription now for about 4 months. This is my 4th box that has come in, and yeah, let's get this thing open. So usually it comes in this nice little black package, which is nice. I am doing, I think it's level 2 or step 2, I'm not sure what they call it exactly, but it's the middle one. They have 3 different options, and then they have a acne option as well. I'm not doing the acne one, but you get this nice little card. The cool thing about this card is that on the other side, it basically walks you through exactly what you need to do for everything. You know, it's a step-by-step guide for using this kit, so it takes all the guesswork out of it. Their thing is, like I said, uncomplicated skincare for men. So this really helps with that. It gives you your morning routine, your evening routine, even how much you need to do of each of the items that are in the package. So it's a nice little guide to have on here. But even if you didn't have this, the system itself was really easy to use. So it comes wrapped in this nice little tissue. It's pretty cool. I think when I first got this, I don't have that card handy anymore, but I think I even got a handwritten note from one of the representatives over there, which was pretty cool. But yeah, so this is the kit. You basically get the face wash. You use this morning and at night. This is your daily face wash. Use this every day. Really easy to use. It's nice. It's not very abrasive, you know, but I do feel like my skin gets clean after I use it. So this is really nice. The scrub is something that, you know, just takes the cleanliness a little bit higher. It says right there 2 times per week, which I do typically Sundays and Wednesdays is when I break this in, and it's a really nice scrub. I basically mix these 2 together when I do that, when I actually use the scrub. I don't use anything like a spin brush or anything like that. I just use my hands, and for me it gets the job done. I may be getting a spin brush on the road, who knows, but for right now I'm just using my hand. After I'm done in the morning, they have this AM moisturizer. I haven't compared the AM and the PM as far as ingredients, if there's anything different. The only thing I can tell is that the AM has this SPF, which is important. You're going to be out in the sun and all that. You got to make sure you're protecting your face from the sun and the harmful UV rays. So the AM definitely has that. And then the PM doesn't have obviously the SPF because it's nighttime and you should be going to bed. But this is important because at night, you know, got to make sure that you re-moisturize and especially after washing your face. And then that's basically what it is on kit 1. You get the face wash, the AM and the PM moisturizers, and the scrub. So that's I think their lowest level, and I want to say it's like 25 bucks. I'm not sure. I think I paid 35 for this one, because it also comes with this eye serum. Now, like I said, I'm 40 years old now, so I figured, you know, I definitely need to start taking care of myself, so I make sure I look the best that I can as I continue to age. And this cream is pretty easy to use. You know, it comes in this little canister. It has a nice little, I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of dark, but it has this little pump here that you know, you pump out the liquid, and you know, it comes out. You just kind of dot that on your eyes. And I do this after I use the face wash, before I put on the moisturizer, and seems to be working. It's supposed to get rid of your bags under your eyes and crow's feet and things like that, and obviously help to prevent further ones from happening. So but this is the kit that I use. The next level up that I'm not getting has an additional serum, which I'm not sure if I'm going to get that. But I will tell you that this, I've been pretty happy with this, you know, and it definitely did make things easier for me, because it was a bit overwhelming going to the convenience store, you know, to your drugstore or whatever, to try to find what works best for me. what's not harsh. You know, I've tried different things and haven't always been happy. Either I felt like my skin was getting overly dried or just didn't work well, whatever it was. But this just made everything easier for me, which is why I went with this product here. And I've been happy. So if you haven't checked them out, go ahead and check them out. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. Like I said, I'm just providing some feedback, some reviews on what I've done on these products and things like that. So, you know, it's an honest review. I enjoy it. I think it's easy. Are there better products out there? I don't know. This one seems to work fine for me, and it makes it easy. You know, it's in my mailbox every month. So, you know, I'm happy with it. And on top of that, these amounts, you know, you would think it might not be enough to last a month, but usually, and I use these regularly. I mean, I'm using them on a daily basis like you need to, and they're lasting me usually a little over a month, especially like the scrub and the moisturizer. The only one that I really go through quickly is the eye serum. So I don't know if there's a little bit less, or they, you know, put the amount that's perfect for the month, for the 30 days, but that's the only one I seem to go through a little bit faster. But I have extras of the other ones, so I put one wash in my medicine cabinet above my sink in the bathroom, and I have another one in the shower for when I'm washing my face in the morning when I'm getting ready for work. And I'm using these amounts here, so seems to be pretty good. The other cool thing about Tiege Hanley is if, you know, you've got that same situation going where, you know, this stuff is lasting you longer than normal, you can adjust the subscription, slow it down, adjust the number of days. So they give you a lot of options. It's pretty cool. I really can't think of anything negative to say with it. Like I said, I don't know if there's better products out there that you can get, but like I said, I'm pretty happy with it. So if you're looking for something that's pretty easy to use, I would definitely recommend checking them out, at least giving them a shot, and see what you think. Like I said, I'm not sponsored, I'm not getting any kind of compensation or anything for it. I'm just giving my honest feedback on this product. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, remember to hit that like button below, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you continue to receive our content. Comment below, let me know what other videos you might want to see, other subscriptions that you might want to see, other product reviews you might want to see. I do have a subscription coming in for Menlo Box and a couple other products that I'm looking to review. So those will be coming down the road. And as always, remember, being a gentleman is an everyday thing.